Yeah, hello, yes, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, and today I want to do another arbitrage to aim 100 times profits. So, if you're a beginner, just watch me how I make my money. Yeah, and you have to know that you can't do this alone. If you want to learn everything online, you will end up losing money because we don't teach everything online. When I'm doing my videos, there are certain things that I don't show it in my videos. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, that is why I mostly don't see me doing live videos unless I'm on live or unless you're part of my group and stuff. Yeah, so today I'm here to do arbitrage using Solana. Yes, like last 2 days I used Bitcoin with different platform, and today too is different platform with Solana. Yeah. So I'm here to do it. And if you want to join my mentorship, just send me a DM, just chat me, and let's talk business. Because if you try to do it alone, and one thing, let me tell you one thing, there are a lot of clone platforms that will appear like they are like this, they are like that, they are like that. Because mostly I've been seeing people sending me DM with their what like websites and stuff and be like, oh bro, like I got scammed with this platform, and when I check the interfaces are the same but different names. So that's what I'm saying, that you have to be careful if you want to make this thing have a good plug and what do your thing. Yeah. So, and doing trade on the black market too, you need certain rules and regulations. You have to understand certain things before, because that's why we call it black market. It means that it also comes with some rules that you have to follow so that you'll be making money on it. Some people, you tell them their rules, the rules, and because of money greediness, they will not follow the rules, and they'll end up losing their account. Yeah. So if you want to make money, just follow the rules. That's how it is. Yeah. So when I come to this platform, so this is how the platform looks like. You can see it here. Yeah. So this is how I make my money. So I'll come here and I'll go to more, and the more I'll choose. You see, we have more coins over here, so I'll choose any of these coins and compare the coins. So first of all, let's say SRP. On this platform, SRP is 2.7146. Yeah. So I'll close it and open Binance. And Binance, I'll go to my SRP. So over here, I'll come to the hot coins. So here, the SRP is 2.4. It means that I have 3 0.3 as was profit. And one thing that people don't understand is that the 0.3 that you are seeing, it's not just small money. It's not small money. Let me do some example for you to see. If I'm going to, like, let's say, if I'm doing sell and I'm selling at the rate of, let's say, 2.7, and I have, let's say, let me do this like the buy. So let's say the buy, I buy Bitcoin worth of 100, I'll be getting 41. You see 41. Oh. So if I come here and I say 2.7, 100, 100, let me say 100, like 41. Yeah, 41. So I'll be getting 10.7 as what, as profits. The when I spent $100 on the platform on this here, let me show you. So here, if I spend $100, I'm getting 41. So right now it means that I've exchanged the $100 for 41 SRP. So if I come here and I'm selling the 41 SRP at the rate of 2.7, so that I'm making 10.7 as what? As profit. Like, yo, bro, yo, sis, arbitrage is not a joke thing. That's why I said that you can't learn it on your own. You need guidance. You see, so you can see arbitrage opportunity, let's say 0.2, and you think that it's not huge. It's huge. That is why today I wanted to use the Solana, but let me use the SRP to do it. Yeah, to do it. Yeah. So imagine, like, so I'm buying, let's say I'm buying 100 USDT of Solana. I'm getting 41. So the 41, if I buy it over here and I go to my assets, you see the SRP up there, then I'll withdraw it. So first of all, you have to check the XRP. SRP. So SRP. So let me see. Withdraw. You have to check and see the address first. Withdraw. So the withdraw, the SRP chain of where we have BEP20, we have the SRP, Lenga, we have the Ethereum. Then I'll go to the black market over here, and here I'll also check and see. So here I'll go to what? Deposits here. So I'll go to my assets here, deposits. Then I'll choose SRP. So here SRP, the address to receive is what? BEP20. So it means that it's cool to go. And the BEP20 per transaction, they will deduct you 0.63 USDT. 0.36. So it means that it's not even up to 1 USDT. So I'll be like, okay, then it's cool because I'm earning 10.7. So it means that they'll deduct the 7 from 8. So I'll be taking home $10. Yeah. So if I come to the platform and I say, okay, let me buy it, I'll go to my market and let me buy SRP. So let's assume that your profit or your capital to start is less, like let's say $50 or $20. Let's say $50. So if I'm buying $50 here, I'll be getting what? I'll be getting 20 SRP. Then I'll go to my wallet and transfer the 20 SRP to the black market platform. And if I come here, since I have SRP in over here, I have to swap it, or I have to exchange it. I hope you get it. So it means that I have the SRP over here, so I have to swap or exchange. So I'll come to the exchange here and I'll go towards swap. So when I come to the swap here, I'll choose SRP to USDT, and I bought 50 USDT of SRP, so I got 20. So if I'm exchanging 20 to USDT over here, that means I'm earning $4.3 as profit. $4.3 as profit. Then you deduct your 0.6, that's your withdrawal fee from it, remaining 3.6, right? Or 3.7, 3.7. Remaining 3.7 as taking profit when you invested 50 USDT. So imagine you doing this, repeating this and that. You see that? Yeah. So that's why I'm saying that doing arbitrage comes with a lot of things that you need to understand. You see, it comes with a lot of stuff that you need to understand first. You need to understand before you can do it. First of all, if you find an arbitrage opportunity that's, let's say, 0.2 difference, 0.3 difference, it doesn't mean that it's very small or it's not profitable. It's very, very profitable. So imagine the SRP So imagine the SRP. It was 0. The SRP was 2.4 on the Binance platform, and the black market was 0.7. That means 0.3 difference. You see, but when we bought it with $100, we have 10.7 as what as our profits. So imagine it buying with $1,000, $2,000. You see, that is why I'm always saying that you need the right person to guide you and the right person to direct you that do this and do that. I hope you get it. Yeah. So that's how it is. Yeah. So I will leave my contact and everything in the description and the comment section. You can chat me and say that you want to enroll in my mentorship, and I'll guide you full 1 year. Yeah, but doing the mentorship, you have only 1 week for training. So after 1 week, you can start trading. After 1 week, you can start trading, and I'll guide you for 1 year. You see that thing? Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.